Did you know that projecting your taxes before filing can help you legally pay less? Many tax residents in Colombia end up paying more taxes than they should, simply because they didn't plan ahead. Our tax projection service helps you calculate your tax burden, find legal deductions, and optimize your tax filing. Today, we'll explain what is a tax projection, what are the benefits of tax projection, how does our tax projection process work, how much does the tax projection service cost, and how can you get started. What is a tax projection? Tax projection is a service designed to help you calculate how much you would need to pay as a tax resident in Colombia before filing your tax return. First, we estimate your obligation without applying any benefits, and then we identify legal deductions and strategies to reduce your tax burden. What are the benefits of tax projection? A poor tax projection could lead you to overpay, miss out on tax benefits, or negatively impact your financial planning. With a preventive analysis, you can anticipate issues and make informed decisions, avoiding surprises and unnecessary costs. How does our tax projection process work? With our tax projection service, you will receive a clear estimate of how much you would pay, legal recommendations to reduce your tax burden, a simple, easy to understand report without unnecessary jargon, and personalized support to help you make confident decisions. Our process is simple. First, collection of your financial information. Second, analysis and development of a personalized tax strategy. And third, delivery of the projection report and a meeting to review and explain the recommendations. How much does the tax projection service cost, and how can you get started? The tax projection service costs 666,500 Colombian pesos, and you can start with a completely free initial assessment. Want to know how much you could save before filing? Contact us at nexo.legal and schedule your free assessment. We help you plan better and pay only what's fair.